St. Patrick's Day is almost here, and what better way to celebrate than making a fun outfit? You guys have been huge fans of my tie-dye projects for Halloween and our holiday family PJs that I thought I'd show you how easy it was to make a Shamrock tie-dyed shirt. And today we're going to be using Tulip's one-step green tie-dye kit, and I'm going to show you an easy way to get this Shamrock design using glue as a resist technique. Are you guys ready? Let's start making. Happy St. Patrick's Day, friends! I hope you loved how easy that technique was. And remember, you can use that for all sorts of holidays. I've got my tutu on and I'm ready for a fun at-home celebration. I just have to make more shirts for the rest of my family. So for more great tie-dye and easy craft projects, make sure that you check out Tulip's blog, follow them on social media, and of course, I've got more great craft projects for you over at Craftbox Girls and on craftboxgirls.com. Happy making, friends, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye!